kids, so for social studies today, it's going to be more on the writing side. A lot of you might have celebrated Easter this weekend, and if you didn't, that's okay. Every family's different. But I want you just to be thinking about what you did in the past, which was this weekend. The past already happened. So you're going to be thinking, what did you do this weekend? How did you feel? Who you were with? And we're going to write about it and share those stories because I really want to hear what you did this weekend. So I'm going to share with you, Miss Henderson. So I just have a notebook I'm going to write in. You can write in whatever you have, a piece of paper, and I'm going to share what I did this weekend. So first, I always like, don't let me forget, first things first, it's always the same. I pick up my pencil and I write my name. I'm going to write my name. And since you guys are getting ready for first grade, we're going to start writing the dates on things too. I know I forgot in the last videos, but we really need to start doing that. So today is April 13th. So I'm going to write April, uppercase A, April 13. Oh, I ran out of room, but that's okay. I'll write it down here, 2020. All right. Now, when I'm writing, I like to count my words. If you want to, you can. If you don't need to, that's fine. So I'm going to set my marker down in pink. So I'm going to count. You can count with me. This weekend, I was at home. So how many words is that? 6. I'm going to draw 6 lines. That helps me make sure I don't forget any words. So 1, finger space, 2, 3, I'm going to go down around, 4, 5, 6. And what goes at the end of a sentence? Good, period. Now I can write it this. Now it's the first word in a sentence, so I need to make sure it starts with that uppercase A. Uppercase T. This. And that's 2 letters. It makes the T-H. This. If. I already have my fingers. This weekend. I'm using my rubber band and say it real slow for them. W. E. K. C or K. E. N. D. Weekend. I. That's one of our words. Make sure it's an uppercase I. Was. That's also one of our words. W. A. At. That's one of our words. Think about it. At home. H O home. And I'm going to read it and make sure it sounds right. This weekend I was at home. Sounds good. So I told you where I was. Now what did I do? Who was I with? Most of you probably already know. Who do you think Miss Henderson was with? Officer Henderson. So let's count those out for me. Let me count my words. I was with Officer Henderson. So I need 5 lines for my 5 words. 1, finger space, 2, 3, 4, 5. End of the sentence. Period. Good job. I. It's the beginning of a sentence and it's the word I, so it's uppercase. Was. Oh, we already wrote it here, so I just have to copy it. Was. W-A-S. With. That's one of our words. It. Remember that. There's 2 letters, a T and an H. With. Officer. Off. It. Henderson. Now, I already know my name, so I'm just going to copy it up here. Henderson. He's not Mrs. Henderson, because he's a boy, he's not a girl. So I'm going to write Henderson. Henderson. Let's read it and make sure it sounds right. I was with Officer Henderson. Now, does it have to be spelled perfect? If you can sound it out and I can read it, we're good to go. Now, what did we do? Well, Officer Henderson and I, we don't have kids, but we did have our Easter egg hunt. I hid some eggs and he hid some eggs, and we tried to see who could find the most. So I'm going to say we had an Easter egg hunt. We had an Easter egg hunt. So I need 6 words in that sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Period. We. Now that's one of our words. At the beginning of a sentence, it's going to be an uppercase W. W. E. Had. A. D. And. A. N. Easter. Now Easter is the name of a holiday. So if it's a name, we need to give it an uppercase letter. So Easter, uppercase E. Egg. E-G. An egg actually has 2 G's. Hunt. T. Period. We had an Easter egg hunt. Now, how do you think I felt? Was I happy? Was I sad? It was really fun because we hid them in some crazy places. Officer Henderson put one in the washing machine and I couldn't find it. And then I hid one in the flour. He couldn't find that one either. So we had a lot of fun. I don't want to say fun. We say fun a lot. We had, what we say? We had a blast. It was a blast. Let's do that. So it's kind of words. We had a blast. So I need 4 words. We, 1, not enough room, had, 3, 4, and it says we had a blast. I don't want to use a period. What else could I use? An exclamation mark. So I was excited. It was a good time. All right. So let's write that we. We'll say we. We had. We already did had right here, so I can just copy it. Oh, let me switch that down so you can see a little better. Had a blast. And you know what? Since it's a loud word, blast, we can do it in all caps. We've done that before. You know how sometimes authors, they put all their words in caps to make it really excited? Let's do that. Blast. Blast. I like that. So now that I wrote, now I can what? Draw my picture. So for my picture, I need to make sure that I'm labeling. And I need to make sure I have lots of details. So let's see. We hid the eggs all over the house, but most of them were hid in the living room. So there was a couch over here. And I'm just going to do the best I can. So here's the couch. I'm going to label that couch. So I draw an arrow. So let's label couch. C or K. A. Ch. That ch, that's 2 letters. That ch. C-H. Couch. Right. It doesn't have to be spelled perfect as long as we can sound it. I can see that says couch. And you know what? I hid one of my eggs behind the couch. I'm going to draw a little egg back here. I'm going to label the egg. Egg. Oh, and I already wrote egg down here. So I can just write it up here. Egg. E-G-G. And then there was a little fireplace over here. There wasn't a fire in it, though. There was some wood, but there wasn't a fire. So I'll draw the wood in there. Label that fireplace. Place. A fireplace. Now I'm going to keep going. My picture's not done. I'm going to add some more details. I'm going to draw Officer Henderson in there and a lot of color. But for your assignment, I want you to tell me what you did this weekend. Maybe you celebrated Easter. Maybe you didn't. Maybe you watched a movie or played outside. So tell me what you did this weekend. You can take a picture of it and send it to me. Or you can just video yourself telling me what you did. But I really want to know what you guys did this weekend. That's all my videos for this week. I'm going to make some more for you guys next week. I miss you very much. Bye.